Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be something a little bit different. As you could probably tell from the title, it's going to be a review on the Blendz Sugar Glow Sweet Caramel Coffee Scrub. I was very lucky to have this sent to me along with this adorable headband that says Blendz on it. Like, is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? I have to put it on. I totally got makeup all over it, but this is the cutest headband ever. And it is so soft and so fluffy, and I have to keep it away from Boss because he thinks it's a toy. I'm obsessed with the headband, but back to the fun stuff. So it's 200 grams, so you get a massive bag of this and it will last you a very long time. I don't use too much because I find a little bit goes a very long way. The ingredients in this are coffee, sugar, olive oil, caramel flavor, which is natural, jojoba oil, orange oil, and vitamin E. This is really good because I know some of them do have sweet almond oil as one of their ingredients, and for people with nut allergies it's harder to use coffee scrubs because they all tend to have, or the majority of them have, sweet almond oil in them. So this one is good because it is nut free and it's also vegan, which is really good. All of their ingredients in there are completely vegan. It's not tested on animals or anything like that, which is really good. I still have swatches on my hand from doing this tutorial, and the video for this look will be up hopefully within the next week. I'll get it up as soon as I can, but make sure you have that little bell clicked next to the subscribe button so you get the notifications for when that video goes live. On the back it says, the sweetest way to an all-over glow with sugar crystals and jojoba oil blended with ground Arabica coffee bean. So I do know that jojoba oil is really good for scarring and helping to heal it and helping them to fade as well. So that is a really good ingredient to have. It also says on the back that it is formulated to actively target cellulite, stretch marks, acne, eczema with caffeine from only the best Arabica beans, and I pretty much have all of them. So I have noticed a little bit of a difference in my skin after using this for a few weeks. It definitely has evened out my skin tone. I find it's buffed away a lot. I do have a little bit of eczema in certain areas and I do want to scrub that off, but I also have to be really gentle with it. So this has actually been gentle enough to use because it does also have the olive oil, the jojoba oil, the orange oil, and the vitamin E. It does help to keep my skin hydrated as well. I find sometimes with like the scrubbing mitts or anything like that, my skin is left feeling so stripped and so dry and I just can't stand it. Another good bonus for this is it's amazing to scrub off a fake tan. So if your fake tan is starting to go a little bit gross and you know you need to scrub that off ASAP, this stuff definitely helps. It's coarse enough to get that fake tan off, but it also helps to hydrate the skin a little bit better. So I find if my skin's hydrated, buffing off that fake tan is so much easier. Another amazing thing about this stuff is the smell. Oh, it smells like a caramel, like latte or something. It smells so good. Oh, almost dropped it. Anything caramel and I'm like, yep, all over it. And the instructions on how to use it say, take a generous amount of the Sugar Glow Coffee Scrub and apply it to your skin. Massage in using circular motions. Leave it on for at least 2 minutes for maximum result. I leave it on for a little bit longer because why not? Before rinsing off and savor the delicious, smooth and sweet feeling. So yeah, I just pop this on in the shower, put this all over my body, and I like to leave it on for as long as I can stand in the shower without the water on and freezing. So usually around 5 to 10 minutes, just kind of buff in the areas that are like my main concerns. So wherever I have like any stretch marks, scarring, any eczema or anything like that, I really like to work on that a little bit more. So you can purchase these on their Blendz website. They retail for $19.95 as a one-time purchase, or if you want to subscribe and get automatically delivered them. So I think it is delivered on your schedule and that you save 25%. So it's $14.95 and you get it kind of regularly delivered to you when you need it, which is actually really cool. For $19.95, I think it's pretty good value because you get so much in there. So just pop on their website. The link will be down below in my description bar and go grab a couple of bags. They also have heaps of other skincare on there. They've got more stuff for your face. They have super cute accessories like this, which are really, really good. They're awesome if you're doing masks or anything like that, just to push your hair back. I actually have not dirtied this doing a mask, which is good. So yeah, that's my quick little review on the Body Blendz Sugar Scrub. And really quickly before I go, pretty please subscribe. Don't forget to click that little bell as well. That way you get notified for all of my videos, and you'll get notified when I get the video of this look up. And if you want to see more videos like this, then give this video a thumbs up. That way I can review some more stuff, get some different videos out for you guys as well on reviews and new products and things that I love and things that I don't love and stuff like that. So definitely give this video a thumbs up if you want to see those type of videos, and also pop some comments down below. I also want to thank Body Blendz for sending me out these gorgeous products. I was so excited to try them, so I really appreciate that they did send them out to me as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!